Hey you guys, and welcome to part 2 of my 1-year lock tutorial. Today is all about my rainbow lock, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to achieve this look. So we're going to start off by bleaching your locks. Grab your BW2 powder, boom, put it in there. Get your lowest developer. I use 20. If you got 10, even better. Put it in your hair, let it sit, boom, your hair is dyed. And we even got the kids. We can't leave the babies out. We gotta let them express themselves. And why not learn a little something while you're having fun? So today we're learning about primary colors and what colors make what colors. So welcome to my art class. So I have my primary colors here from Manic. I will have their names listed below. I'm going to use these colors to create the rainbow because let's be honest, I'm trying to save a couple bucks. I'm just playing. But you guys are aware what's going on. We're in the middle of a pandemic, and I am now homeschooling my children like the rest of the world. So here we are in art class learning about primary colors. So what color does red and yellow make? Well, if you put too much red in like I did, it makes a reddy orange. So if you want an orange, just put a little splat of red, okay? Just a little splat. So we add a drop of blue, and now we're going to make sure that we wipe the spoon clean because we do not want to mix color. And we're going to add a little drop of red. And do you guys know what color red and blue makes? Let's stir it up, children. Stir it up. Ooh, is that purple? Yes, it is. Stir. Oh, we already to the next color. I thought I'd have a little bit more clip. All right. I got my yellow, and please excuse the noise in the background. I know you guys hear the craziness outside, but yes, I got my yellow, and then I mixed it with the blue. And what color does it make? What color does it make? Yeah. It makes a pukey green. It makes a pukey green. Ew, it's ugly. I didn't like it, so I tried to add some yellow and made it worse. I didn't like it. So yeah, light green, hard to achieve. I could not achieve that true rainbow green, lime green color that I was looking for. But I would have to say, it still looked great on my lock, despite its pea soup appearance. But we're gonna keep on mixing that thing. You hear how loud? It's 9 o'clock in the morning on a Friday. But we're going to continue to whip it up. Alright, now that we have them all nice and arranged and our area is nice and clean, we're going to add a bonus color. We're going to add a little bit of red. Well, not a little bit of red, actually a whole lot, because I overboard, like I OD'd on the red. But we're going to add a whole lot of white to counteract that whole lot of red. Do you know what color red and white make? Oh, you don't know? Oh, but you about to find out though. Bars. Okay, I'm playing extremely too much, but we're going to stir it up. But if you haven't guessed yet, red and white makes pink. So now that we have our rainbow completed, it's time to apply these colors to our locks. Okay, so let's bring y'all a little bit closer. Hello. Oh, wrong. Here you go. Hello, boo. I'm gonna grab my special lock, and this lock is so special because it once belonged to my husband. He had a lock that was thinning at the root, and I had asked him if I could cut that lock out and use it as one of my extensions because I was installing extensions anyway, and I low-key suffer from anxiety, and my husband helps with that. Just having a little peace with him just kind of give me a peace of mind. With that being said, I decided to make this my chakra lock, starting with the root representing energy, comfort, safety, stability. You know, nothing grows without the roots. And I'm just applying this with my fingers. My nails are busted, crusted anyway, so it's fine. Trust me, it's fine. So we're going to pick up my next color is an orange, and this represents sensitivity, sexuality, pleasure, sociability, you know, everything that you feel. I just love the color orange. It just makes me feel so good and bright and happy inside. So really quickly, to blend the colors, smudge it with your finger until the colors blend perfect. And yes, that is my son screaming in the background. Anywho, now we're moving on to the solar chakra. And this represents my strength, personality, my power, determination, the I do chakra. Speaking of I do, my husband and I are doing our vows next year. We've been married for 8 years and we never had a wedding, so we thought it's about time. It's about time to have a wedding, but not right now because of the pandemic and everything, but soon. Next year for sure. My 30th birthday for sure. I'm ready. So I am a little bit out of frame, but I want to continue sharing the meaning behind these colors and why I chose this lock. We're moving on to the heart chakra, the I love chakra. And this represents acceptance, love, compassion, sincerity, and sidebar, the green came out amazing. The next color that's out of frame is the throat chakra. And this represents communication, expression, creativity, inspiration, the I talk chakra. And you really need that. You gotta really get in there and get that throat out there. Get that throat out there? No, you do not. But you do need to have a voice and be able to express yourself and stand up for yourself. I will admit the shade is a little bit off. It's supposed to be more of a teal, but it's more of a dark periwinkle type of blue type of deal. I don't really know what periwinkle is. It just sounds fancy. The point is, it's not the right shade. I have 2 shades left. We have the dark blue, which is the third eye. That represents intuition, meditation, trust, the I see, because you can't see past the BS if your third eye is blocked. And last but not least is the crown chakra, the knowledge, the fulfillment, the spirituality, the I understand chakra. Yeah, that's how I color my chakra lock. And to keep this lock feeling extra special, now you understand the bonus color. So yeah, so the rest of my colorful locks will be rainbow and they will have some pink in it. But again, you just want to apply that color and blend with your finger and keep repeating those steps over and over and over again until you reach your endpoint. Simple as that. Once you're finished applying the color, allow it to sit on your head for a couple of hours. Trust me, it's safe, it's semi-permanent, it's not going to damage your hair. Once it has set, rinse out the color without shampoo. It will make the color last a little bit longer. Trust me, I've done this before. It's 100% safe. And that, ladies and gentlemen, is how you color your locks multiple colors. Pretty simple, right? I hope you guys did enjoy this tutorial. If you guys did, please give me a big thumbs up. Please share my videos and leave a comment because I love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for all your support and just rocking with me this last year, because it has been a crazy but fun and an amazing journey, and I'm just looking forward to see what else this lock journey has in store for me. But until next time, until we meet again, until we're back on YouTube watching another crazy video of mine, bye bye.